what is this? You see it? This is my Zobo drink with so many herbs inside. I can't stand naming everything. Check my description for what I use in preparing this Zobo. I am taking healthy drink. Stop taking carbonated drinks, guys. Now, I'm going to drink this. I'm going to take this Zobo with what? Who can tell me what I want to take this Zobo with? Look inside, show them the pot, let them see. You see, different organic stuff are in here. So, you know what? You wash this thing out. You know what? Look at this. Oh yeah, follow me. Follow your lead. See it. You know what is this? Healthy living. This is my garlic. Can you do it? I'm going to chew this garlic. And as I chew the garlic, I'll just swallow this. I'll drink it. This is normal. Guys, this is the main Zobo. I did not put any spicy. I did not put any all this artificial stuff. I don't do artificial. That's why you see me. I love this gold. You love this gold? Don't mind me, guys. This garlic. So. You know what garlic does to the body? It clears the heart. You know what Zobo, hibiscus flower, does to the body? It pumps your blood. Stop taking capsules for your blood to pump your blood. This is it. Pump your blood naturally using Zobo. No sweetener, medicinal. Come and have some, girl. Let me give my kids. Right? Drink it. We don't take. How do you feel? We don't take. We don't take carbonated drink. We don't take carbonated drink. Zobo, healthy. What do we call it? Healthy what? Healthy living. Healthy living.